What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Roots and Anvil. Today I wanted to put together a coat rack. Project I've wanted to do for a little while. Kind of figured out a design, rough idea I want to go with. We're going to start by making some hooks. So I got some 3/16 bar right here. We're going to forge these down, twist them up, make some cool little mini hooks, hopefully about that big. And we're going to use those as our start for our coat rack project. Now that we've got the hooks made, the next step is we're going to get a metal bar. I'm going to go with about 28-inch long bar, 1/4 inch thick, 1.5 inches in height. And we're going to forge that down to something cool that we can mount our hooks to. Now that we got the hooks and the bar made, step I didn't show you is I had to put holes in them. Now, in this case, I decided to drill the holes. Typically, punching them might be a little quicker and smoother, but I was getting a little bit low on the gas in the forge and decided drill might be a little bit better. So I've got mounting holes drilled on the outside for the actual bar, and then the hook holes drilled through the bar as well as the points. Now, to secure these, I'm going to go with these brass rivets. They're going to give it kind of a cool effect. I do think the brass stands out a bit, so I'm purposely going to dirty it up a little bit, hammer on it a little while, and give it more of an antique kind. Well, with the rivets in, that about does it. There we got ourselves a nice coat rack. We got the hammered metal, the ram's horns, our hooks twisted in here. The whole thing turned out pretty good. It's got, I don't know, either a Western vibe or maybe even a slightly medieval vibe. Work with whatever you want. Go in your cabin, your castle, your beach house, just your regular shitty old basement suite. Who knows? With a character like this, can't really lose. Thanks for watching.